Start to. Okay, this is the feeding time for Chanel. Look how she can stay. She look Chevy. Oh, Chevy also can stay like this.
Oh my god.
Look at this. Look at this. They like turkey breast. Look at this. She love it. Oh
I'm gonna
my
teach her tricks.
god. Oh my god. Look. Look how she's staying. Amazing. Chevy. Chevy. Chevy, you're too heavy, yes? Chanel can do it. Chanel cannot do it. Look. They're afraid the dog will take it. Okay. Okay. Good girl. Chanel is such a good girl. Look how she eats. Wow, she can eat in 2 feet. Chevy. I know the tiger also like this. Oh my god. Looks like previous food. Chevy eat everything, so she's hungry. Chevy. Yes, she's not hungry. She's hungry. Yeah. I think we need to do a hand feeding for Chanel. So this way the Chevy don't snatch her food.
Snatch. Yeah.
Yeah, look at this. Look, this is him. This is a big boy here. This is big boy Chevy. Oh, Chanel. Chanel like turkey breast. Yeah, she like turkey breast. Look. Chevy. She almost have finished all piece. Yeah, she really like that. Chevy. Looks like he's not hungry, and she does.
Oh my god.
She's finished. She's done with this piece. Chanel, I think it's enough for you, you little baby. It's just too much for you to eat too.
Oh my.
Tiger!
Oh my god.
Tiger, what's up?
Bad boy tiger.
Tiger!
Here.